Want to see how AI can transform video dubbing, subtitling, and text-to-speech? Let's explore Dubverse AI. First, let's explore video dubbing. Dubverse enables you to translate your videos into multiple languages effortlessly. Simply paste a link, whether it's from TikTok, YouTube, or any platform. For this demo, I've picked a YouTube video.
Hello everyone, if you are a writer, storyteller, or quiz maker, you guys ever wished you had a magic wand that could...
We'll convert it to Hindi using the available voice options.
आपकी आवाज में दर्शकों को मोहित करने और एक लास्टिंग इंप्रेशन छोड़ने की शक्ति है।
I'll select the Shan voice because it sounds more human-friendly and select the target language. And then click on Let's Dub. The AI handles the translation and syncs the voice seamlessly with the original timestamps.
सभी को नमस्कार। अगर आप एक राइटर, स्टोरी टेलर या क्विज मेकर हैं, तो क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपके पास एक जादू की छड़ी हो जो आपके आइडियाज को तुरंत कैप्टिवेटिंग कहानियों और एंगेजिंग कंटेंट में बदल दे?
The dubbing captures the tone and accent impressively, making it feel natural. Next, let's test the subtitle feature.
कैप्टिवेटिंग वीडियोस क्रिएट करता है और फोटोज को एआई आर्ट में बदल।
After pasting the video link, select your desired language. For this demo, I chose Hindi. Dubverse instantly generates subtitles. You can customize them with font changes, background boxes, and even text alignment, animated styles. The preview feature ensures every detail matches your style.
ऐड इमेज प्रॉम्प्ट एंटर करें, फिर अपना प्रिफर्ड एस्पेक्ट रेशियो और कितनी इमेजेस चाहिए वो सिलेक्ट करें। अपनी विजन के लिए बेस्ट स्टाइल चूज करना ना भूलें। सब सेट हो जाए तो जनरेट पे क्लिक करें।
Once finalized, save and download your video with perfect subtitles. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into their text-to-speech capabilities. First, we pasted a sample script featuring 3 characters. Dubverse immediately detected the language as English and allowed us to select accents and voices. Dubverse cleverly broke the text into chunks, separating sentences into segments. While it couldn't automatically identify speaker labels, we manually assigned voices to each segment. This step works fine for small scripts, but could be tedious for larger ones. Here's the final output: a lively conversation with distinct AI voices.
Gotta keep moving so we don't die.
I can get behind that, but what's your plan?
Just what he said. Don't die.
Okay, understood. But beyond that?
The result is quite impressive. The finished audio can be downloaded directly, ready for your project. So that's Dubverse AI, an all-in-one solution for video dubbing, subtitles, and high-quality voiceover. If you're ready to elevate your video content, give Dubverse a try. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemus.com.